Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the phone is unlocked and powered off. This prevents data corruption. Once done, use the SIM eject tool or a small pin to press the tray release. Do it straight and steady. Make sure you've identified the correct tray size for a nano, micro, or standard chip so you won't force anything. You should handle the chip by its edges and avoid touching the gold contacts. This preserves connectivity and prevents oils or static from interfering with the connection. Next, place the chip carefully into the tray, aligning the notched corner and matching the gold contacts to the phone's diagram. Most phones want contacts facing down. Once seated, slide the tray back in straight and push until it sits flush. Tilting or forcing can bend the chip. Power the phone on and wait for the system to detect the SIM and network. If prompted, enter a PIN supplied by your carrier. Otherwise, the phone should register carrier information and display signal bars. Finally, verify functionality by placing a short call, sending an SMS, and browsing a web page to confirm data. Make sure mobile data and APN settings match your carrier. Adjust in settings if necessary. If the phone shows no service, power cycle it, then remove and reseat the chip to confirm proper contact. You can also try the chip in a different phone to isolate hardware versus provisioning problems. If things still fail, contact your carrier to confirm activation or request a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.